for another installation of Cocktails at Home with Josh Dean, novice cocktail maker. Here to give you another delicious cocktail to help get you through isolation and life, or you know, whatever you need, whatever comes after that, whatever you believe in. I'm not judging. Anyway, we're gonna get into this drink. So this drink today that we're making is a chili pineapple margarita. Now, before I get into this drink, I have a question for you. Did you know that there is a difference between a eating chili, one of these guys, and a drinking chili? Just gotta make sure I don't get this on my fingers. I didn't either, but I just recently found out. Okay, so we are down here at the local markets getting the freshest ingredients for my cocktail. Now I need the best chilies, so I'm down here to see Dano, my local chili dealer. He's going to hook us up, so let's go and chat with him. This one is a good chili, yep. Couple of these ones. Yes, I didn't bought it. Mate, bloody fantastical. How you going? Mate, I'm making one of my fabulous cocktails and I need a chili with a bit of kick in it. Can you sort me out, buddy? We don't sell those kind of chilies. What you need is a drinking chili, mate. Look, mate, I don't know about that. I just need my chilies for my cocktails. Come on, help me out. You're trying to drink bloody alcohol, mate. You need drinking chilies. You're trying to use my eating chilies, not in this climate, buddy. No way. Just getting my chilies, buddy. Right. Look. I usually wouldn't turn away business, but there's a guy, Raymundo. Go see him. Here, take this. What's this? How's this gonna help? Go see Raymundo. Alright then, let's go. What a strange business card. Alright, well, let's have a look. Raymundo's drinking chilies. Find me on the hill. I think I know exactly where he means. Yes, we are here. Raymundo's drinking chilies. Alright, I reckon he's just at the top of this hill, so let's go.
Shine bright like a diamond. Fine light in the beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. You and I.
Hey mate. Hello, my son. Raymundo, I'm here for the... Say less. I know why you are here. That hill. Look mate, the chili. Did you bring the glove? Look, he didn't tell me anything about bringing a glove. Look, my child, you do not want to touch this chili with your bare hands. You are not trained or learned like I. You must have brought the glove. But I do have this. Should work, I reckon. Yep. Just put it in there, mate. That is fine. That'll do. Put it on. Oh, mate, look, if you can just put it in the glove for me. That doesn't sound like a good time at all. Mind your fingers, dear sir. Here you go. In there, nice and safe for you now. Run along now, my child. All right, cheers, mate. Thank you. You are a legend. All right, well, if that wasn't weird as hell, at least we got our chili, so let's go. Alrighty, so you have your cocktail shaker here filled up with ice. You're going to grab your tequila. You start off with 45 mils, so big side and the small side. I feel like I am getting a little bit better. There's still hope for me yet. So Cointreau, we want to do 20 mils, so I like it when it says 20 mils because this side is only 15 and I feel like I can kind of be, let's say that's 20. A bit creative. And 60 mils of pineapple juice. So I have my pineapple here. I thought I had a juicer. For some reason, I don't have a juicer. So I bought pineapple slices. It's really hard to find fresh pineapple juice. So I didn't want to use the really sugary stuff. So I'd imagine that this pineapple juice should go down a treat. Anyway, so we're gonna add 60 mils of that. So just on the big side, I'm gonna try to pour that in. And a little bit more. And then we'll go a dash of hot sauce is what this recipe calls for, but I've just gone on a mission to get that chili. So we're gonna add the chili. I'm really afraid of it, so yeah. All right, so we've got our chili. I'm just gonna cut this up into a couple of little slices, making sure we're not getting any of this on our fingers. You know what we were just warned about. Alrighty, so the aroma is amazing. We'll get this and we're just going to get that knife in. I'm actually really afraid of it, to be honest. We're just going to put it into our little bowl, mortar kind of thing. Sit in there and just give it a bit of a dash. Now this is just releasing all the those juices inside of there. And when I pop that inside of my cocktail shaker, it's just going to add that little bit of bite. Anyway, so we've got that there. We'll get back to our cocktail. We'll add just a little bit of these chilies. So I'd just say maybe like 3 little pieces. We'll pop them in. And then I think most cocktails call for this, but oh, actually, I nearly forgot. You can't make this without limes. There we go. And 20 mils, so remember we'll just do about half. Just squeeze that in there. It's all right. Awesome. And now, shake. Just keep shaking that one. Awesome. Now, the reason I got this pineapple is because I want to add just a little, move that out of the way just so you can all see, sorry. And we just want a little wedge, so we'll slice that off there. Now this is just a garnish. There we go. That's the best one I've ever done yet. Oh, I think I am getting better. Thanks to all of you for watching me, actually, giving me confidence. Thanks, Vic, for filming me, believing in me. You don't understand how many times I messed up trying to record the start of this video. there in the end. And there we have a pineapple chili marg. I forgot to mention before as well, we used some coconut tequila in this one. You don't have to do that, but I just thought the coconut tequila would just balance out those flavors, but let's get into it. Cheers. Sensational.